now you have to listen. شو رأيكم نسمع هذا الأوديو؟ Now I will give you a question, right? Then after you listen to the audio, you have to answer it, right? So listen to this news report. So it's a report. What have the archaeologists found? علماء الأرض شو وظيفتهم أصلاً؟ بنكشوا بالأرض. بس ليش بنكشوا بالأرض؟ عشان يلاقوا أشياء. زي شو الأشياء مثلاً؟ I don't know. So what have the archaeologists found and where? You have to give me the location as well. Listen carefully and try to answer my question.
A green Sahara. An international team of archaeologists who were searching for dinosaur fossils has made a dramatic discovery in the Sahara Desert. In the Gobero area of Niger, which is treeless today, the archaeologists have found evidence of a green, fertile valley. Scientists who have examined the evidence now think that the climate in the area was good until the valley dried up, about 4,500 years ago. Archaeologists found evidence that people who lived at the site between 4,500 and 10,000 years ago lived next to a lake and hunted fish and animals. Paul Sereno, who made the discovery with a team of researchers, described how he saw bones belonging to animals that didn't live in the desert. It is amazing that people once lived in an area that is now largely dust.
Okay, حكولي سمعتوا للأوديو؟ منيح ولا مش منيح؟ منيح. Okay. Now, can you give me the right answer? What have the archaeologists found? شو لقيهن وعم بيجروا عمليات التنقيب؟ They have found evidence. Evidence يعني دليل. برهان. Yes, they have found evidence that people lived and hunted. What's the meaning of hunt? اصطادوا. الناس كانوا عايشين واصطادوا in the Sahara Desert. So what is the location? It is the Sahara Desert between 4,050 and 10,000 years ago. يعني بنحكي عن فترة كتير إنها قديمة. Yes, كان في حيوانات هناك. كان في. Right. Okay. There were some bones belonging to animals that no longer live in the desert. Oh, what did they find? Right? Bones. شو يعني bones؟ هم لقوا عظام لبعض الحيوانات اللي شكلها انقرضت ما عادت موجودة بهاي الأيام. So, what is the location? It is the Sahara Desert. What did they find? It's bones for what? Some animals. Okay? Good job.